Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danial Afiq bin Azlan and this is my video submission with the project ID IS00008. Under the category of Internet of Things or Smart Application, the project title is RevivifyMe Mood Tracking Application for Mental Health under the supervision of Assistant Professor Dr. Shuhaili Talib. To start off, let's look at what is RevivifyMe. RevivifyMe is a productivity mobile app focusing primarily on people who are struggling with mental disturbances and those who are clinically diagnosed with mental disorders like depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorders. This app essentially performs three core functions, which are mood tracking, to-do list, and also self-assessment tests using the DASS21 questionnaire, which is a verified self-assessment scale for mental health. These are essential for the patients to record their mental conditions for better intervention and treatment plan by their respective physicians. The problems that the app is trying to tackle relate closely with accuracy issues regarding records and analysis of mood and behavior, leading to patients sometimes giving incorrect estimations and assumptions that could potentially result in inaccurate treatment plan. The app also sets to address concerns regarding user data privacy and the interest of the users through proper user interface and experience design. As for the objectives of the project, the developer has intended and managed to provide a complete features like dua and Islamic quotes to better suit our culture. As an added bonus, this project offers the DASS21 self-assessment scale, which is a verified and widely used mental health self-assessment scale that was developed by the University of New South Wales in Australia. RevivifyMe's interactive prototype was developed using Figma, and the actual system has been developed in Android Studio using the Flutter framework for Android system and has been integrated with Google's Firebase Firestore for the database management. All of the graphics contained within the app has been developed using Canva for Education, which has been provided by IIUM. As for the methodology, since this project has been done in a linear sequence, the waterfall model has been chosen to be the most suitable system development lifecycle model for the project. A survey was distributed among university students in Malaysia to properly identify the users' requirements. Now, let us have a look at the completed product of this project. Welcome to the app itself. So as you can see here, this app has a few pages in which users can interact with, okay? And we will go one by one. The first page that the users will be taken to when they launch the app is the mood tracker page. Over on this page, users can actually record their mood using the slider over here. For example, if their mood is awesome, they can just leave it here at awesome, and they can scroll down to happy, neutral, sad, and terrible, depending on how they are feeling on that particular day. For example, we are going to put our mood as awesome today, and we also have the ability to add some notes if we want to. For example, once users have written the notes and have logged in their mood, they can just click submit. After users have clicked submit, they will be taken to the data successfully recorded page, in which this page will display the text of data successfully recorded, indicating that the data has been put inside the database, and they will be prompted with 1 out of 16 pictures of du'as and Islamic quotes, as well as advice given by the Ministry of Health regarding mental health. Once done, simply click dismiss. To view the recorded mood data, simply click on the icon beside the mood tracker, which is the mood records page. As you can see here, our latest data that we have just recorded is this one, which is the awesome state. If we click on this info button here, we can see the notes that we have created specifically for this certain mood. And there are other data inside this database that I have recorded before. You can also delete entries from this page. For example, I want to delete the last data that I have keyed in. So I just click on the delete button, and entry is successfully deleted. Next, let us go to the to-do list. Inside the to-do list, we can create new entries, update certain entries, and also delete entries. As you can see here, we already have 2 entries, which is to watch a movie and to sweep the floor. To create a new entry, simply click on the floating action button here and make sure you key in at least the title because this is required for the data to be recorded. As you can see, now we have entered all the data to add into the database, and once we click add, the data will be added into the page. To update a data, simply click on the pencil icon here and you can change any data that you would like for this specific entry. Now as you can see here, I have changed the description for this entry, and once I click update, the entry will be updated inside the page. You can also perform delete functions inside the data on any of the entries that you want. So simply click on the delete button and confirm the delete, and the data will simply be deleted from the database. The next feature that we will go through is the assessment page using the DAS21 assessment. Over on this page, you can click on learn more to learn more about this test, in which users can go through 5 pictures detailing the instructions and the scoring system of the test. And once the users have understood how to answer this assessment, simply click on the start assessment and confirm to be taken to the actual questionnaire. The DAS21 questionnaire contains 21 questions in which users have to answer using the slider and by pressing the next button. So we will thoroughly go through this process. Once users have completed the whole 21 questions of the questionnaire, they will be taken to the result page. Once they have dismissed this alert, the result of the assessment will be displayed in the form of scores for depression, anxiety, and stress. To view the DAS21 assessment scores recorded into the database, simply click on the last icon here. Over here, users can only perform delete functions for the entry, in which they can delete any entry that they want. For example, if we delete this last entry, the data will be successfully deleted. This button simply will take you to the information page of the app, in which some basic information of the app such as the description and the developer is shown in the information page here. So that is all for the demonstration of the app itself. As a conclusion, it is hoped that RevivifyMe has the potential to be improved even more and be polished to become a full-fledged commercial app that can compete and stand out among the many productivity apps that are available on the market today. It has been a wonderful journey and impactful experience to have the opportunity to develop and arrive at this very moment in the development of the project. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.